Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. Today we are going to discuss how to design a button. Okay, if you see any application, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if you see the login button, different designs will be there. If you drag and drop in Android Studio, default design you will get. If you want to customize, then how you need to do. Okay, if you see here we designed few things. This is like a Facebook. This is not like images. I designed these buttons. I will help you to how to design these things. We have a I will give you some shortcut how to do that part. And if you see, this is one design. This is a Google sign in. Okay, and if you see, it's like a stroke. If you see, this is one type of design, and here number of colors we have. See, one login button, one shape is there, right? This is a circle. If you say, here's a rounded shape, and this is a rectangle. And if you see here, welcome message, but there is a shadow is available. So these all the different types of design how you need to do. So before going to do practice, so you need to understand few attributes of the shape. Okay, this shape you need to design. Okay, so if you have a gradient color, if you want to apply different colors for your button, if you observe in this button, in this login button, I have a four types of colors. I have one for the green, and here one more color, and this is a white color, and here one more. So four different types of colors you have. So if you want to apply mixed design, then you need to use the gradient color. Okay, and even though if you see there is a corner, there is a radius, we can call as this is one shape. This is a circle. How you need to design means by using the corner attributes you can design. Width and height, if you want to define, you can use the size attribute, or while you are designing the UI screen, you can define your width and height both. And we have one more, the stroke. When I say stroke, here if you observe this button, in the corners everywhere there is a stroke is there. This is, you want to apply this type of stroke means you need to use the stroke attribute. And the solid, that means it's like a Facebook share. On Facebook you will see these icons in every application. So how they are doing, if they want to single color, then you can use for the solid. Depend on your requirement, you need to design the colors, buttons, everything. Okay, so let me quickly open my Android Studio. So these two buttons I designed. So how you need to design means I will explain now. Okay, first we'll drag a button here. So username, password, attributes, everything I explained in the previous section. If you don't know, just go and watch those videos. Okay, so what I will do, I'm removing this one as of now. Okay, we'll design the icon your own way. Okay, first step is what you, okay, which icon you want to design. Let me open my Google Chrome. Okay, so google.com. If you see in the right side, there is a sign in option is available. Okay, I want to design this icon, this sign in option I want to design. The first step you need to do is just go and drag your button. First of all, one button you need. Okay, next, this button you want to give some text. Just go and define sign in, sigin, sign in option. This is the first step. Okay, and I want to give a color. I want to define, if you observe this icon, sign in is in white color. Okay, how you need to define the white color, just go for colors.xml. okay, here you can define your color. Just I want to give as a white. So if you want to give, if you give 6F, so it will be a white color. Okay, and this is a white color, so you can use this attribute for in your activity underscore main. How you need to define, so text color. Okay, you need to define your color attribute. This is a white. Okay, now it won't display. I will explain after that this point. Now you have a button. Now if you want to design this shape, what you need to go for drawable folder, right click, drawable resource file. here my root element I need as a shape. Okay, and the file name you can say google underscore sign in. Just I'm giving this is the name, so sign in design, just I'm giving. Okay, click OK. So if you have by default there is no attributes, is a shape. Okay, and if you click angular bracket you can see lot of things: padding, corners, stroke, gradient, solid and size. Okay, so before going to that, let me quickly open my website. Sorry, angry tools. If you don't know, go and type google angry tools button. If you type it button maker, just click on the first website. See, you can design your button in what way you need. So these are the different types of attributes. Say button, size, corners, background, padding. You don't need to remember anything, just you can go and copy paste this code. But you, how you want to define, just you should know. How to integrate, you should know about this part. So the first step is what I need. Let me open google. This is a signin.java. Okay, what you want the text name is, here you need sign in, sigin. Okay, now you got the sign in. If you want to apply, okay, and by default if you drag and drop the option, okay, and make it as 0 everything, this is a simple rectangle box. Okay, if you want to apply the radius, here there is a corners we have, right? Just if you apply here, see, whatever the design you want you can define. Just I want to design some 10 dp I will give. Okay, this is 10 dp. Now one more thing, width and height, how much width you need. I don't want that much width, so I need only this much. Okay, so your sign in is ready. Now you want to apply the colors. I need a single color, I don't want as a multi-color. See, this is a which button, sign in button. Here I don't have one color, so what I will do, here gradient and solid you have, click on the solid. Okay, here you need to apply the color, whatever the color you want you can apply. But here you can difficult to find out which color exactly you need. So I have a trick. So what you will do, first save this image. I'm taking screenshot this one. Okay, I need this color. Then how you need to make it, go and google define image color picker. There is a website, click on here, just you can upload your image. I'm uploading my image. Okay, so this is a sign in, I took the screenshot, right? Once you uploaded here, if you highlight here any color or sign in, exact color you will get. When I click here, see, you can see the hash code. This is hexadecimal code. Just copy 4485F6. Okay, copy, and just you can go here. Okay, you can define your color. See, your design is ready, your sign in option is ready. How much width you want you can give. Okay, this is the way you need to design the button. This is a sign in option. Now how you need to integrate, click on the button shape, copy the whole code. Okay, copy, go here, just replace with that xml, that code to here. See, this is your design. Now you need to integrate in your layout.xml file. How you need to, grow for activity underscore main. Here we created the button, right? So where is our button? This is your button. What you want to do, here you can make it as a background. In drawable folder you given one name, right? Google sign in design. See, this is a sign in. Now you need to define the color. Okay, so this is some different color it is showing. So what will do, I can give ff. Okay, you can take it text color is the f, right? Just go and define. Here you can give the hash. See, I hope you are clear. If you want to extract here, just you can go and give, this is the button. Here you can give small f's also, 3 4 5 6. Yeah, see here Now if you want to increase the size of your text size, if you want to give 20 sp, okay. See, I hope you guys are understood how I'm designed. See, this is my design. If you drag here how much icon you need, you can go ahead, you can do in this way, okay. In the if you observe in the corners we have a white background, okay. So if you go here, if you want to design the more way, here you can design, no issue about that part. And I'm define the way. If you go for the Google sign in, there is a size padding solid corners. These all corners means if you want to design with suppose 20 dp you want to give, so this is that look like. If you want to different color, you can apply this padding. This is optional right now, this is not required for us, okay. So this is the way you need to define your button. We'll see in the next tutorial how to design with the image, okay. If you see, now you know how to design this part. Assume that, okay, gradient color, and I didn't explain, right? Okay, we designed this part, we design, this is the button. In the next section I will explain about how to design image with your text view, how you exactly, if you want to design this one, how you need to do, I will explain the next section. Thank you guys.